Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how you can replace your control valve if it's gone bad. First of all, if your controller, if you have any issues with your water heater, first we would recommend that you see if it's still under warranty, and you could call the warranty, and they will tell you what could possibly be wrong, and then they would also provide you that part at no charge to you. So in this case, we're gonna show you how you would replace the control valve if needed be. So first of all, we're gonna need to turn off the water. Well, turn off the water heater first. Off. We're gonna need to turn off the gas. Turn off the gas, and then turn off the water that feeds the water heater, and then we're gonna need to drain it. We're gonna need to drain it, being that it's still full water, and when we take this off, if there's still water in there, it will leak. So we're gonna need to drain it, and then we're gonna proceed to disconnecting everything from the control valve, so it would be ready to be taken off. So to disconnect everything here. So what we're going to use to give us some leverage in order to be able to disconnect this, unscrew it, is we're going to screw in a pipe here, a 1/2 inch nipple, and that way we're going to be able to have a way to unscrew this one. And when you unscrew it, count how many turns you make, so that you know how many times to screw it back on when you put the new one on. So here's the old one. We got it out, and being that we drained the water out, now there's no water coming out through here. So when we put it back on, we're gonna need to put some Teflon tape here and some thread compound in order for it to create a nice seal, so we don't have any leaks. All right, so we're gonna put it in just the same way we took it out. Put it in. We still have this here to give us that lever by what we can use to turn it in, screw it back in. Alright, so we're going to take this off now and proceed by connecting everything back into it. So here we have the new control valve in this situation. It was the same. Alright, so here was a short video on how to replace your main control valve if ever needed to. So now that we've reconnected everything, got everything in place, we're gonna, before we turn on the water heater, we're gonna go ahead and open up the water and fill it up before we turn it on to avoid causing any damages. Turn on the water. Go ahead and turn on the water. And we're going to give it some time for it to fill up a bit before we relight the water heater. We're going to turn on the gas again. And again, turn this into pilot mode. Turn this into pilot. Press this pilot down and ignite. And then once the pilot lights, actually hold this down, ignite, and take a look in here, make sure the pilot is on. Once it's on, we're going to hold this down for about 15-20 seconds, and then you can let it go, turn this to on, and turn it to the setting at which we want it at. Alright, so here was the entire process from the beginning to the end on how to replace your main control valve at home if you ever needed to do that. Thank you for watching our channel, and we'll be back again with a different informational video soon. Thank you.